What is good, guys? Back again. It's your boy Brandon with the 91 Miata. Today is the last nice day of the week that's not gonna rain, so I'm gonna try and knock out the sway bar and the front end links. So let's get into it, guys. Let's get it. The first thing you're gonna want to do, jack up the car. I'm gonna get both sides jacked up. I'm gonna yank this wheel off, and then I'll be able to show you the end links a little better and what we actually have to do. All right, guys. So I'm taking off the end link right here. Right here, because we got the replacements, and then you guys can see there's a bolt right there, and there's gonna be another one on that side, and it's gonna be the same exact thing on the opposite side of the car. So you gotta take this off first, that splash guard. All right, guys, so you got a bunch of 10mm bolts holding on this plastic piece, and you gotta get this off to get to the sway bar. So the end links are out, sway bar is loose. Now we just gotta take off the two bolts right here, 1 and 2, and do that on the other side. Sway bar will drop out, and then you just put it all back together the same way you took it out. All right, guys, so for the most part, we got it installed. End links in, nothing's tightened down or anything like that. Just wanna show you guys how we got everything in there. New sway bars in. Things looking good on that side, and then we're gonna put the bushings on. We're gonna tighten these down. We're gonna torque everything down to spec, and then I have the Racing Beat brace, and that's gonna go up in here, and it's gonna stiffen up the bracket. So I'm gonna get all that installed, tighten everything down, and we'll show you what it all looks like when it's all said and done. All right, guys, so we are all set. Everything is in, torqued down, ready to go. Everything is in. Everything's all nice on that side. So we got everything torqued down according to the internet. Hopefully it's right. The specs on this were about 20 foot-pounds, and the specs on the end links were about 40. So everything's all cranked down. We got the nuts on the end links themselves tightened down. She is 100% ready to rock and roll, guys. So about to slap the wheels back on and take it for a test drive. So, and that is everything for the sway bar installation, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give the video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, guys, peace.